back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you that does pay fairly well. We will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. If you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. But the company Kickstarter, you should know them. They help people fundraise money for their startup companies. They are hiring a coordinator for games outreach. Now, one thing to quickly note before we dive into all of the details, the salary range for this position in the United States is anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. If you go down to the bottom here, they are hiring not only in the U.S. In the U.S., they are hiring in select states, but they are also hiring in the United Kingdom and in places in Canada, Ontario, and British Columbia. I have all of this in the YouTube description box below with the link to this page. But if you are in one of those areas, they are looking for someone to help game creators with funding their projects and building communities on a Kickstarter. They're looking for someone to manage and organize the inbound creator request and direct them to the appropriate member of the team who can handle that request. Now, inbound requests should be some kind of a ticketing system. You'll connect with creators developing promising game campaigns and assure them what they need to be successful on Kickstarter. You'll build and foster an online community through Slack and Discord. So, chat systems, non-phone, for game creators to share their advice, best practices. You may also help create and schedule in-person communities for those game creators. You'll advise and attend events as a representative for Kickstarter for the game community, and you'll serve as an internal champion for the needs of any game creators. Now it says that you'll be managing a queue, so like a ticketing queue of 100 requests a day. You need to have experience in some kind of CRM management software system. You need to be professional in experience in understanding the game community and the gaming industry. Of course, they want somebody who has experience with Slack and Discord. Now, on top of the pay, they do offer quite a few benefits, including 100% employer-paid health plans, so no premiums to you, free health insurance. They include paid time off and parental leave if you are looking to start a family. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.